Best known for their action cameras and gimbal systems, feiyu technology actually branched into several different industries, including fitness, with products like this, the recently launched Kica Pro Massage Gun. Whether you're a gym goer, athlete, rock climber, or even an office worker, a muscle massaging gun is perfect for not just anyone who wants to restore their body faster and promote muscle recovery after high-intensity workouts, but also for the office or manual worker wanting to treat and ease chronic pain. Supplied complete in this tough hard shell carry case, which I have to admit carries a surprisingly high quality feel, inside we find the Kica Pro Massage Gun itself. Available in several colours, the unit carries a seriously solid feel thanks to its complete metal construction, although along with that metal construction we do have some weight. But saying that, even with the weight, it's still rather comfortable to grip onto thanks to the overall width, and other than some branding, it looks rather elegant overall. There's seemingly not much to the device on the outside, a power button on the very bottom, alongside a single USB-C charging port and status LED, with a cable being included of course, used for charging the built-in battery, which is rated to provide up to 20 hours of life on a single full charge. Anyways, moving up, we have a single trigger button used to start and stop the massage heads located just above. This is one of the few massage guns with a double head design, marketed as providing double the hits, meaning double the effect. The actual heads are replaceable too. So by default we have these rounded heads, great for acupuncture point massage therapy, although these can be changed for the brush heads, more suited to essential oil massage, or for the included U-shape heads, great for the Achilles tendon and spinal areas. So you're pretty much covering most areas of the body with the included heads. Nevertheless, moving to the back, we find a conveniently located touch-sensitive display providing feedback and full control of the massage session. So, on the top corner we have a useful battery status indicator, along with a dial showing the current motor RPM, which we'll come to in just a moment, the massage time, and the total massage session time just below. All very useful information that can be seen at a glance while using the device. So, press the trigger button and the massage heads spring to life. Percussive massage weapons and massage therapy devices like this, especially with the proper tip, may look and sound brutal, but massage weapons are designed to hit deep into your tired muscles, speeding recovery and getting you back to training at your best. The high-power brushless motor guarantees super power output with a stroke of 10mm, and it's relatively quiet too. Don't get me wrong, there is some noise of course, but it's really not too bad. We can increase or decrease the intensity by quickly and easily adjusting the motor gear from the main screen too, with a 10-step range, going from the lowest 500 RPM right up to a whopping 2600 RPM for a really intensive session. The customizability doesn't stop there. A swipe from the top and we are presented with different modes too. The default vibration mode with the intensities we just looked at. A kneading mode where the double massage heads collaborate to simulate finger pressing, bringing a delicate and comfortable relaxing experience just like traditional kneading. And finally a high impact mode, used for the highest muscle impact. And if the various intensity settings and vibration modes weren't enough, a swipe to the left presents a range of physiotherapy packages aimed at providing a professional massage experience. So not only can you select from different sports, you can also select from several other activities. And once you've selected the area that suits you best, you can drill down to the particular muscle group you're looking to work on. It makes for a relatively simple and straightforward menu system that covers almost every muscle group in your body. It really is a full package device. Finally, a swipe to the right and we have some basic device settings, such as switching the tones on and off, as well as changing the trigger action so you can click to power on and off, or set it so that the gun operates only while the trigger is depressed. So, all in all, it's a very robust system that covers everything you could possibly need in a massage gun, with the aim being to help you achieve a quick recovery and make your muscles perform better. In the age of soft, gentle self-care, this is the psychological version of tough love. So whether you want to massage your arms before your workout, prepare your muscles for a session, or post-workout to ward off any potential issues, you'll recover faster, increase your circulation and flexibility, and extend your range of motion, ultimately improving your performance across the board. There's really nothing to fault here, with a whole host of options and modes to choose from, pretty much covering every muscle group in your body, all wrapped up in a solid double head design. The Kica Pro really is a pro device when it comes to massage guns, and comes well recommended.